These ones are like the most trippy. What's up, hackers? It's GoldieBlox, and today's video is all about camping hacks. I love being outdoors and like getting dirty. So the downsides about camping are bugs and like weird creatures you didn't know that existed in your campsite. So just like research that. But we were like sitting down, you know, like mosquito bites everywhere, just like crying about it. And then we hear like a growling in the distance and we're like, oh no, that is definitely a bear. But it turns out it was just my friend making fun. And for our first hack, we have a food plate. When you're camping and you're trying to eat, like you can always like hold it like this, but when you're trying to like start a fire, you need both your hands to like, you know, like start a fire. We don't glamp here. We take this seriously. I make my own fire. Okay, I don't make my own food, but I bring my own food. I bring a lot of food. I eat a lot when I'm camping because, you know, you gotta like get your blubber, you know, get warm because like we're fending for ourselves here. Instead of like leaving it on the ground and getting bugs in it. I mean, honestly, bugs are like good protein, but like I don't want that. Make this so you don't get bugs in your food. For this DIY, you'll need a plastic plate, a drill set, a big glass bottle, straw, and a mini kitchen torch. First, drill all the holes for the silverware and the main middle hole. Drill a hole in the bottle lid. Attach the bottle to the hole in the middle of the plate using the kitchen torch. Heat and bend. Heat, heat, and bend. What? Use the torch to soften the silverware holes too. Assembly is complete. Now, time to eat. I forgot a knife. Whatever. We're cut with a spoon. You know, just live my best life. Oh my god, hack! You don't need a knife. Cut with a spoon. And then when you're done, where's my fork? Oh, there it is. Okay, let's move on. So the glow log coasters are actually super cool because they glow and they hold your stuff. So it's more elevated. Because you know when like glasses are like cold and wet, you don't want to get dirt on them because that always bothers me, and then you have to like brush it off and your hands are all dirty. I don't want to deal with that. And they look very naturey because they're wood. Yes. Honestly, I like the bark. They're like rough on the outside, but like beautiful on the inside. If you thought of that, you'd be like, oh, it's just wood. Psych. No, they're beautiful. For this DIY, you'll need wood rounds, white paint, and glow-in-the-dark paint. First, paint the wood rounds white and let them dry. Then add your glow-in-the-dark paint. Best coasters ever! If you're camping without a graham cracker in sight, don't worry, dear hacker. Just put it in an ice cream cone. Just look at that cuteness. People will think it's ice cream, and then you're like, no, I like s'mores better than ice cream. I know. Don't fight me in the comments. But I love a good marshmallow. Like Rocky Road and ice cream, bomb. I'm gonna dissect it for you. Dissect the deconstructed s'more. Oh, okay. You know, we're just gonna use the pretty. You don't have to buy like graham crackers and ice cream cones if you want ice cream and s'mores. You could have both with just one cone. For this DIY, you'll need some waffle cones, mini marshmallows, melting chocolates, and foil. First, prep the cones. Wrap it in foil and place it over the campfire or in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove and let it cool. Some more time! That's all I have for you guys today. I hope these hacks bring your camping experience to the next level. I'm actually going camping in a couple weeks, and I'm definitely going to be bringing these guys with me. Okay, what's your favorite? Because I think my favorite was the food plate because it's the most practical in my opinion. I think I would use this one the most. Comment down below what your guys' favorite was, and make sure to like up this video if you liked it, and subscribe for more DIYs every week. And hit that notification bell. And the GoldieBlox shout out goes to Mimi Angel. She got inspired by my weird Easter pranks, you know, when we smashed Easter and confetti everywhere. Remember that? It means so much to me that like you guys get inspired by my crazy, sometimes impractical hacks. And yeah, that's it. GoldieBlox is signing off.